It's beautiful. It's natural.
Can't ball in a life, man. Go on with it, go on with it. Do us. So we are coming in with a force, yeah. Blessing the reap and we coursing on full. Oh, we not rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks like we need it the most. We have to give thanks like we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all for my life, man. But thank God for the journey, the earnings, the test, the plus. Yeah.
So we are out here sightseeing. Look at this amazing view. What do you guys think of the view?
It's nice, it's nice, it's nice, it's nice.
You should go take a picture right there.
Mommy, over there, mountain looks like steps.
Yeah,
This
it
steps
does.
everywhere. We're talking about these steps. Which side?
Right there.
Mountain
You didn't see
right
it?
there.
Oh, okay.
We're going to walk to this trail right now.
Is it my dress, Tay? Come, Mom. You afraid?
Be careful walking, there's a cliff, you know, drop off.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, Lord. Herbie, you come save us?
Right out there.
Be careful, because they got some of these things got thorns.
Look at the water glistening. Oh, I like that. So this is St. Kitts, guys, and welcome to my husband's country. It's beautiful. It's natural. Ah! Maca! Shit.
It's full of maca.
You know what maca is?
No.
That.
I told Tella, be careful.
It pricks you.
Trees with thorns.
That's why I
Thorns.
stepped over that.
That's what we call maca.
How are you?
Good. Happy,
Yeah.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year to you.
Do us. So we are coming in with a force, yeah. Blessing the reap and we coursing on full. Oh, we not rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks like we need it the most. We have to give thanks like we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all for my life, man.
Oh, this is nice.
Oh my goodness.
Wait, is that
Oh, this is nice.
Babe, you're too close.
No, it's not. I'm good.
No,
It's just amazing.
you can see the water from here.
Come. Bush right there.
Killing me right
Whoa, it looks so nice. You
now.
need,
Pull up your pants. I'm seeing your butt.
Mommy, you need to come and see this. The rocks are,
My bathing suit.
the rocks look so pretty.
It does.
I want
Come
that.
see it. Step back. Let mommy come out. All the way back. Come. So stand right here. It's not that close to. It's not like the edge is literally right
Oh,
there.
it's not?
Stand right here so you can see the water. Come on, just stand right there.
Wow. This is so cool.
All right, take some mommy was saying. Let's go.
Well, maybe they have to.
Then they would have brought them on the tour. That's what you would have told.
Can't ball in a life, man. Go on with it, go on with it. Do us.
You're not going to save me?
Grandpa's coming.
Grandpa coming.
Grandpa jump up.
You're not going to save me?
That's the restaurant up there?
Wow.
That's the restaurant up there?
No, they said somewhere down here.
I didn't know.
They say you go through a tunnel. Yeah, there goes the tunnel. She said you gotta go through the tunnel and go all the way around. Wow, this is amazing. That's what she told me last night, it's a tunnel. She said when you go through it, you gotta yell because it echoes.
Oh, I'm
You guys ready to go see some more celebrities?
Mommy, I'm going to yell first. In the
Okay.
I don't even know who the people then was.
I knew who Samuel Jackson was.
You wanna recognize them neither.
Listen, I just knew the man was tall.
I couldn't forget his name.
It's embarrassing, I know. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. You guys, I'm so embarrassing. So embarrassing.
Mommy, what would happen if you saw Beyonce?
What? They will have to hold me back. I'm sorry.
You probably won't recognize Beyonce.
Babe, stop it. They will have to hold me back. Beyonce or Rihanna? Y'all got to be crazy.
She would jump on them.
Babe, unless you got on a hat and shades.
People are classing and then
You know that side over there have a good picture of you. Can I get a picture over there? Just pull along there for
we
me.
ain't gonna eat till 7 o'clock tonight.
We can always come a couple times.
We ain't gonna get
Okay.
no to the show.
You want a picture?
Go take a picture of downtown.
Tilling, tilling, ting ta. Tilling, tilling, ting ta.
Yeah. Blessing the reap and we coursing on full. Oh, in a rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks that we need it the most. We have to give thanks that we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all for my life, man. But thank God for
Tony
my
must
life.
say, yeah, he didn't know you always come. I asked him where they're going to.
He said what?
I asked him where they're going for dinner. See, you don't know.
They probably have plans.
That water is
We passed it, and there's no turning around here.
One right here.
Getting a tour of St.
We got
Kitts.
Coca-Cola and yeah, this one.
That's Patrick right there. This area is called Port Zante. We're getting ready to purchase tickets to go to another island tomorrow, Nevis. Where's my baby? Where's my baby? Where's my baby? He's here. Oh.
What I was just telling the gentleman, on our tour there's Wi-Fi facility on the bus. There's both non-alcoholic and alcoholic drink. And you have lovely music. Our tour is a fully air-conditioned tour. The tour consists of 2 hours. We tour you guys to the city of Bastia. Here, you see the local shopping. Likewise, see an Indian-owned store. Here are the locally owned stores.
He's speaking to me.
Just know I'm not gonna make myself get like you got yesterday.
Yeah, that mango good. I want to try the mango again.
Mango nice. I'll buy a mango.
Come on, nigga.
Yeah, I think I'll buy a bottle of that. That's nice.
Tastes like a wine.
$20.
For the tour? You the boss.
And it's all inclusive.
I'm free.
What time does it leave?
We're gonna leave 11:30.
That's hair or Nevis? Hair.
And we give you guys a chance when you guys come back, you guys can shop. You're gonna get pretty much better.
They didn't know.
They're gonna miss it. They're gonna be mad at us. There's Wi-Fi capabilities on it.
What about the scenic railroad?
Yeah, that's what
You want a bottle?
I want my shot.
Strong.
Mm-hmm.
You say you want it?
Yeah.
Whoa. What you get for it?
I'm gonna get a CSR, man.
Alright. I'm feeling
Come on, Tony.
Oh, you sold, huh?
You know what I mean? Get her size. Come measure your finger, D. You know what I mean?
She already has the plastic.
Right. Oh, he has my last name. Either way.
There's nothing extra to do.
Maybe they already did it and we don't know. You know what I mean?
And
I think I'm gonna get 2 bottles of them, 2 bottles of that, 2 Hennessy. And I'm trying to
Right now?
No, not right now.
You ain't even want to smell liquor right now. You how you doing over there, man?
Huh?
How you doing over there,
I
man?
come back strong all the time. You know what I'm saying? They drugged me yesterday for Juve, but I made it. You know what I'm saying? And I'm back.
If it's not banana, it's a purple.
Yeah, so we out there walking on Port Zante, taking in the sights for a little bit. You know, it's the whole fam out here with us. Another zombie? What's up with all these zombies, buddy? That one they big like he must be a kid.
He must be BJ, buddy. Hey, what's up? Super eat you know, what are you gonna do?
You just start to move, she gonna run.
Sting,
Start to
hand
move,
out
she
it.
gonna
Sting,
run.
hand out it.
Coming for you.
Taylor eating sugar cane? What, you don't like? Is this your first time eating sugar cane?
No, it's just not. It's not sweet.
Oh. We're eating sugar cane. Because guess what? This is Sugar City, right, babe?
1 pound of sugar ain't enough pound of sugar.
2 pound of sugar ain't enough pound of sugar. 3 pound of sugar ain't enough pound of sugar for the
Can't get enough of the sweetest.
I hope you're drinking water now, Tony. You checked it? You checked it already?
He's like he wants some drinks. Like
What are you drinking?
water.
Huh?
What are you drinking?
Mixed drink, man.
Hey, weakling, Earl. Earl, you need to be drinking water right now. Oh yeah, it's a museum. We should go in there.
Alright.
But let's go to the port first.
When are we picking up our costumes?
It's not released yet.
We're still making it.
Please, still making.
So this, what we're walking right now, is called 4th Street in Basse-Terre, St. Kitts. This is apparently where all the happenings take place for Carnival. Like, as you can see, people are still out selling things. You know, they have the bar set up, all of that fun stuff. I think all the Carnival troops are on this street as well. Oh, Ultra, there you go, babe, Tony. There we are, Ultra. It's in here.
You make me feel you make me feel.
So now we're walking over, kind of going through some old stomping grounds. Oh, that's where we're going, the ferry terminal. They had music here the other day. Yeah?
Tell everybody, just to find out.
I thought it wasn't sweet.
Huh? They taste like baby sugar cane though.
Talking to her, she said it wasn't sweet, but she said one more.
They ain't really sweet.
Hot bad. Driving around the island today, heading up to what's called Monkey Hill. We did a few stops this morning already, but now we're headed to the island.
What was saying?
That the whole rent-a-car there mash up under the bottom.
Turn that angle. Yeah? Yeah, this is more than that I made it.
I mean, we made it, but not without tearing off the bottom.
In my car?
And these new cars got on the carriage, on the cover.
How you know that? This is a brand new car.
When you pick it up, when I pick this up, they inspect it. They don't inspect the bottom.
They didn't expect this because it was brand new. So if anything on it, that means it's
They
us.
don't inspect
Nobody
the
don't
bottom
expect
of the
on the
car.
carriage, I don't care.
Yeah, but the guy think that way because I tried it my class in the box or something.
What happened with you?
It has something to do with money. What's
You got credit card, right? Credit card cover
I'm
rental cars.
coming to you to fix
Insurance.
Yeah, exactly. Insurance covered. And I don't know who. I don't know.
Yeah,
we go there and see.
We go down this hill?
Suppose the car start rolling off with you. What are you gonna do?
You do open.
Front and can't
You do open.
Yeah? What I say?
There's a sugar mill over there. I want to go down the hill.
You see the cow over there,
There's some
Kayla?
big houses.
You see the cow? You go and cow over there.
Hey, Cole can't kick it. Don't listen. Who's your mother?
Go with Uncle.
So she got her daddy adventurous spirit.
Yep.
Tall.
Baby, when the bright lights start to fade, fire up your lighter, float on with the waves. You make me feel
All the way over there.
Yeah, all the way over there. You got two of them over there. You feed in and you get food.
They got all that grass for themselves.
Grass. They have the land to eat grass.
Mm-hmm.
It's a cow!
They call this grazing. They're grazing. Done?
Travis having us driving through some back bush place. Travis and Patrick. See them up there, so. See, I can't even put my hand outside the car. You guys.
Don't put your hand outside the car because some of the branches and trees
Guys,
have
what if
poison
there's
ivy.
like a lion or something?
A lion.
Yes.
In a jungle.
Insane kids.
Yes. You never see it yet?
Oh yeah, there is a lion. It's Daddy.
A tiger.
I don't want any indigenous.
The monkey might run, come and grab the camera and run away.
Okay, that would be
That
funny.
might happen.
That would be funny.
Swing glass on a vine. Thought it was a monkey.
People got us driving through these crazy woods. This is what their definition of a island tour is.
It is.
Up in the
Island
mountains.
before? No.
Look, there's a dung that says like a gully.
Yeah, don't look
Ditch.
like Indiana Jones.
We're driving around, guys. Look at the sheep. I mean, not sheep, goats.
Water. Who's water?
Oh, one of this cruise ship gone already. Yeah. Look how gorgeous this plantation is. It's really nice.
I hope the family that owns it is black and not white. The family that owns it is black or white? The family that owns it. What? The family that owns it is black or white? Next generation FIFA and Madden.
Washing them off.
You eat it?
Yeah.
That's the same thing we was eating in Mashana yard when we was up there.
Well, Terry, get Travis a piece of that. The tree of, it's the tree of life.
Why are y'all
Give me
eating
peace.
things and not
I
washing
ain't
them off?
eating that. I'm sorry. I ain't eating that. Let me try that.
That's all right.
Let me try it.
This white
Yeah, let's eat it.
He said this is the moringa plant.
And the tree of life.
The tree of life.
I got two.
This leaf
Wait, I
more
want peace.
nutrients and vitamins.
Can
and
I have
all
a
that.
leaf?
Yeah.
It tastes good. Tastes like
You know,
apple.
if you eat this and drink water behind it, you know how sweet that you're gonna be? Yeah. Yeah, the water gonna taste sweet. Yeah, see?
water.
Yeah.
It tastes nasty.
No, it's gonna be sweet. You drink water behind it. The water gonna be sweet.
Yeah.
And the water,
I just
the water,
eat
the
pieces.
water's still sweet.
It's true.
It's
true.
sweet?
Drink it.
Drink
Drink
it.
water. The water's sweet for true.
The water gonna be sweet.
Why are
Wow.
you jumping up like that?
You're right. Oh, let me taste it then. Let me taste it. So eat it and then drink
Pick
it.
up that, Melissa. Pick up the
All right,
skin.
hold this. Hold this.
Hold on.
I got one. Can I
Pick up the skin.
see? Ew.
Come on, Melissa. Give me.
Whoa.
It tastes disgusting.
That's
Yeah,
crazy.
it do, but the water tastes. Don't drink all the water. Come on, leave us alone.
Ah!
Drink water.
Stop eating the white thing. Don't
Yeah.
drink it off.
It's gonna be better when you drink it first. When you eat it.
Eat it first, yeah.
Those taste horrible.
Sweet.
Well, I guess my life gonna be short.
Yeah.
Yes, sweet, right?
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
I couldn't believe it.
What? Give me.
Want a leaf?
Yeah. What can the tree of life do for me?
Huh?
What can it do for me?
Everything. It's good for everything. It's good for
Give me a piece more. Give me a piece more, Terry. Give me a piece more. I got it. You got it?
Moringa, and people start.
Do you drink moringa tea? Well, no, give me more. Give me more then. Let's carry it home.
I never gonna fall off and it'll fall off.
No, pick one more now.
That's what Auntie Patrick's picking Auntie.
Oh. Thank you.
But they leave the palm.
Easily.
Get dry.
I got the moringa plant. Tell him how you drop off. This is the tree of life.
Tree of life, yeah.
This tastes
Wow.
Yeah, keep your hand
Where we
in.
at now, mommy?
I think they call here. Whatever here in Middle Island.
Yeah, I was just gonna ask you.
It was
Look
Middle
at the
Island.
water. This reminded me of Jamaica right here, driving through little towns. Like going to country in Jamaica is a far drive, you know, like you at least driving an hour and a half, sometimes 2, sometimes 3.
And that's now they got highway. Imagine when they didn't have highway before.
You could drive 4 hours and still not reach one country yet.
And that highway is legit highway, you know, mommy. Like America, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, man. Toll booth and everything, you know.
I'm not that proud of it though, because I met the Chinese people, them come build highway. None of them have people I pay
Because you know
toll.
it is, man, like we island people, well, we black people in general, we don't fight on each, we don't want to come together. Because nobody wants to see nobody else excel, you know. That's what died right here.
Somebody died?
You know,
Oh, I saw him driving down when we were at the gas station.
Here now we're going. This got me going on here. 2 young people come visit from England. This river here that's always overflow. They say they tell them don't go to the car small. He still drive through. The car start going. He get out the wife and get out the jump back in to go rescue if it in a sea.
The water washed them down there, sir? Wow.
They call it bloody point.
that's what the girl did in her thing yesterday. Remember?
What thing?
I was sleeping.
Oh yes, no, that was a good one. Where she opened up the river, right?
I see it.
Baby, when the bright lights start to fade, fire up your lighter, float on with the waves. You make me feel like, you make me feel like, you make me feel.
You used to work at this building? What's in there?
Yeah, they change it every second.
Just pulled into St. Paul.
We went there for her birthday. Yeah, bought this.
Oh, watch it. Man, I come round the corner.
Any fruit you could think of.
Anything.
Where's the gate?
Right here.
Thank you.
This is so sad.
Oh my gosh. Are you going to try to go in?
No, no, you gotta be crazy. You went in there, you could go. You know they got snakes and thing in there?
Oh, hell no. I'm scared of snakes.
Right there.
Here, go. Follow them. Here, go with this one. And then give it to Trevor.
It's crazy how this house looks so big.
Watch out,
when
babe.
you were little,
Watch
right?
out.
This porch was huge.
Yeah,
bro.
bro. I swear this porch was the hugest porch. This place used to look so big when I was. Man, you just walked in the spider web. There's a big spider in there.
This used to be the living room. That was a room. This was a room. That was a kitchen back there.
Yeah.
There was 3 rooms in there.
Bedroom, there's-
Yeah, come true.
There was 3 bedrooms down there.
Yep.
There was like
Two,
mother room, father room, and I guess another
Yeah,
room
there
was
was 3
there.
rooms
There was
out there.
3 bedrooms up there.
Look at how beautiful this place is. We're on a different side of the island.
You all remember the area, right?
We're gonna put in the navigation.
Okay. The name of it is Hanley Dental.
Oh, okay.
Market Street.
I know how to get there.
Trevor said him know to get there.
I've been watching you like the
Driving downtown. So beautiful. This is St. Kitts, guys. A cruise ship was just leaving. I see they're still leaving. June plum nice? June plum. Let me tell you how the people in the car
when the bright lights start to fade. Fire up your lighter, float on with the waves. You make me feel like you make me feel Baby, when the bright lights start to fade. Fire up your lighter, float on with the waves. You make me feel
Look at this view. Oh my gosh. St. Kitts is so beautiful. So beautiful, guys.
Give me the fire, baby, you bring that home. Me need a lock on, me need my love.
Turn on the pressure, make you get numb. And when the place is coming, know you're not on.
Hot like it against the law.
No, it wasn't at this house. This was on the corner.
Then where's the gate?
This blue house right here?
And this was Vita them house right
The
here.
gate isn't over here?
No, it's over there. That's a different story. Different house.
How many bedrooms in there? Same color? The house.
No, I think it used to be like white and greenish or yellowish. And on this.
Get some time.